Successful people don't become that way overnight. What most people see at a glance happiness, wealth, a great career, purpose is a result of hard work and hustle over time. Use your ambition, drive, and desire along with these quotes on success to become successful in life. These quotes will inspire you to succeed in the face of failures, setbacks, and barriers. Success is a journey, not a destination. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to be succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. Success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a success. Willpower is the key to success. Successful people strive no matter what they feel by applying their will to overcome apathy, doubt, or fear. Success is relative. It is what we can make of the mess we have made of things. Success and failure are both part of life. Both are not permanent. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Success is achieving your goals and objectives with happiness, love, and glory. The secret to success is to know something nobody else knows. Success without honor is an unseasoned dish. It will satisfy your hunger, but it won't taste good. The most important requirement in success is learning to overcome failure. You must learn to tolerate it but never accept it. Only a mediocre person is always at his best. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. Dictionary is the only place that success comes before work. Hard work is the price we must pay for success. I think you can accomplish anything if you are willing to pay the price. Prosperity makes friends, adversity tries them. The two leading recipes for success are building a better mousetrap and finding a bigger loophole. The superior man makes the difficulty to be overcome his first interest. Success comes only later. The secret of success is learning how to use pain and pleasure instead of having pain and pleasure use you. If you do that, you are in control of your life. If you don't, life controls you. Personal relationships are the fertile soil from which all advancement, all success, all achievement in real life grows. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. People often confuse success with fame and stardom. Do something you really like, and hopefully it pays the rent. As far as I am concerned, that is the success. Failure is condiment that gives success its flavor. Success turns a lot of people off. I have pretty solid sense of joy and respect that irritates people and can irritate me too. Success didn't spoil me. I have always been insufferable. You never achieve success unless you like what you are doing. Personality is the most important thing to an actress' success. I will say this for adversity. People seem to be able to stand it, and that is more than I can say for prosperity. The one phrase you can use is that success has 1,000 fathers and failure is an orphan. We will either find a way or make one. If you try and lose, then it isn't your fault. But if you don't try and we lose, then it's all your fault. The very first step towards success in any occupation is to become interested in it. The mode in which the inevitable comes to pass is through effort. Money does not guarantee success. Failures are finger posts on the road to achievement. Talent alone won't make you a success. Neither will being in the right place at the right time, unless you are ready. The most important question is, are you ready? Success and money can really be quite blinding. You are forgiven for your happiness and your successes only if you generally consent to share them. It is not enough that I should succeed, others should fail. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. To climb steep hills requires slow pace at first. The secret to success is to offend the greatest number of people. Anything worthy is worth the fight. One of the secrets of life is to make stepping stones out of the stumbling blocks. Once you can accept failure, you can have fun and success. Success occurs when opportunity meets preparation. My literary success meant nothing to me. Success is falling 9 times and getting up 10. There is no success without hardship. Nobody travels on the road to success without a puncture or two. Success is finding satisfaction in giving a little more than you take. Once you achieve a certain level of success or fame, it becomes really difficult to go against type. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Success is more a function of consistent common sense than it is of genius. Success is the progressive realization of the predetermined, worthwhile personal goals. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Play around, dive into absurdity, and write. Take chances. You will succeed if you are fearless of failure. Don't struggle for salary. Do struggle for success. Success is not greedy as people think, but insignificant. That is why it satisfies nobody. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to success. Success always occurs in private and failure in full view. Your success and happiness lie in you. The starting point of all achievement is desire. The path to truly new, never been done before things always has failure along the way. The secret of success is to do all you can do without the thought of success. I planned my success. I knew it was going to happen. There is no scientific answer for success. You can't define it. You have simply got to live it and do it. Fame and success are very different things. Keep in mind that neither success nor failure is ever final. Success has nothing to do with what you gain in life or accomplish for yourself. It is what you do for others. We are born with success. It is only others who point out our failures and what they attribute to us as failure. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. I still need practice in enjoying the fruits of success. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. You will soon break the bow if you can keep it always stretched. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. The interesting thing is, if you do it for love, the money comes anyway. He who does it first may do well, but he who does it best will do better. Success is like a liberation or the first phrase of a love story. Success will ruin your life. There is no abiding success without commitment. Success is usually culmination of controlling failure. To try is all. It matters not if one succeeds or fails outwardly. To succeed, it is necessary to accept the world as it is and rise above it. Real success is finding your life work in the work that you love. Once you have a lot of success, you become a target in many ways. Success is not a result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. The world is divided into people who do things and people who get the credit. True success is the only thing that you cannot have unless and until you have offered it to others. The journey is the reward. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Success is the only meaningful and enjoyable if it feels like your own. Failure is unfortunately as common as success. To be ready to fail is to be prepared for success. My definition of success is control. Success demands singleness of purpose. There is a good side to every situation. The victory of success is the half won when one gains the habit of work. Every success is built on ability to do better than good enough. Success is failure turned inside out. Along with success comes a reputation for wisdom. Without new ideas, success can become stale. The great recipe for the success is to work and always work. One secret of the success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. Failure can be bought on easy terms. Success must be paid for in advance. How many people you bless is how you measure success. The road to success runs uphill. Success is often the result of taking a misstep in the right direction. To succeed, jump as quickly as opportunities as you do at the conclusions. Success and failure are equally disastrous. Success makes you less intimidated by things. Success is not in what you have, but who you are. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Without an open-minded mind, you can never be a great success. Never mistake activity for achievement. Self-trust is the first secret of success. Success is the child of audacity. The winner's age is not in the gifted birth, a high IQ, or in a talent. The winner's age is all in an attitude, not aptitude. Attitude is the criteria for success. If you work just for money, you will never make it. But if you love what you are doing and you always put the customer first, success will be yours. I am excited about it, thrilled with the success thus far. Success is the sweetest revenge. Success is not permanent and failure is not fatal. The most important single ingredient in the formula of success is knowing how to get along with people. Success is achieved by developing our strengths, not by eliminating our weaknesses. The way to succeed is to double your error rate. There is no secret about success. Did you ever know a successful man who didn't tell you about it? The secret of success is sincerity. Four things for success: work and pray, think and believe. The formula for success is simple: practice and concentration. Then more practice and more concentration. Success is a journey, not a destination. Success is normally found in a pile of mistakes. Victory is a thing of the will. Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in. The best place to succeed is where you are with what you have. It is not enough to aim, you must hit. Chance gives a smile to the one who is ready to take it. To guarantee success, act as if it were impossible to fail. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in the different way. Defeat your enemies with success. Success is that old ABC: ability, breaks, and courage. Action is the foundational key to all success. Success is all dependent on effort. Leaders can let you fail and yet not let you be the failure. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Success is doing what you want to do, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, as much as you want. Success is steady progress towards one's personal goals. Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. Success makes success, like money makes money. Success is more attitude than aptitude. Success is neither magical or mysterious. Success is the neutral consequence of consistently applying the basic fundamentals. A successful person is a dreamer whom someone believed in. Success follows doing what you want to do. There is no other way to be successful. To succeed in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Success is not just about what you accomplished in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. Some people dream of success while others wake up and work. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. The secret of success is to do the common thing uncommonly well. Sometimes later becomes never. Do it now. Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Sometimes we are tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strengths.